boyemuna etiefo hu the reason why letter no mo troye and abubo kwa den e dey Accra Great Olympics ya ni te so ma yom de no den no ti no so mo yom de no.
The Awako issue as in relating to the letter now, wherever that it came from, I mean, whoever that brought it out, that has become an issue. Can be say, okay, letter now, like you said, it was written on 21st. If it's 21st, at the back then, there were certain things that we had consistently said that were not right. In the first place, when we got Awako, we registered him as part of our team for Africa. It do say, that is the FIFA Connect. We registered him through it. When it got to the period that now it is mandatory that you should go through the DTMS system, that's how come we wrote this letter to Great Olympics that they should be able to approve it. Send a bear, we can complete the registration of the player. The team be a financial issue. It doesn't stop you from that when accepting for the player to be registered. So that is why we wrote this letter to Great Olympics, wanting them to know that, yes, it will open as a financial obligation between the two of us, but and stop him from accepting in the system send a registered player. We didn't get any response. We followed up again with verbal communication as well, not once, about twice, 3 times. We didn't get any communication again. So we needed to fall on the mother association. And in football, if a club decides not to approve this for you, now call the mother. So the FA accepted it, gave us the approval. Awako was registered as our player to play in the Ghana Premier League. Accepted for us. And Awako is a registered player of Accra Great Olympics on the call player status. And we Anajo cry late in the night cry. Those were the things. And now we received a letter again saying that Accra Great Olympics Oma withdraw or more issue now on the call player status. They are no longer interested in that issue. So that is the latest about it, right from Peter my letter we was written up to this morning as I speak to you.
No. Okay. Glass in our cone we issue no. Since and drano o me you any feel. Super. Opa say one Accra Great Olympics and years of folk, Moyi let an no, it should be a new obium. It's a brand and is free to play.
Under normal circumstance, that should be. But as I speak to you now, I don't know their mindset. I can't go into their mind. You understand? But I believe so well that it is good deliberation that has gone on, that has moved the Olympics to take this step, which is positive for football.
No. So omu so ma twe fio but omu nim say Accra Great Olympics for no so ba o ma twe ana so me jaya na say still continue to
no me be say
obesi dey bisa ade the contract we yi the table so bo fra bu fi bu a obesi dey afra for da afre super no ti obia iso obia akasa sento say so anape ma ya bonimu a onpeke call no o from so mo mpeke into no dey na ndo ya no say still they'll be on it nti Awako no na sebe omo born totals they are playing the boy totals nti no super me be call na was it menenama na me ko GTPA Ghana people who talks around when na my boys need them say Premier League has started your players well ma they are very skillful omo yi nipa me F and 9 Fabio Gama Kotoko Omi set or say from Ashgood. And Omi Daniel Free House of Folk. And Omi Fata Ishako. I'm saying why na skillful. To some the mate here for there. Super and what do you
set or say Ashgood.
Fabio Gama Kotoko.
Daniel Free
House of Folk.
And I feel some Fata
Ishako. Dreams FC. I'm saying why who is skillful? Super they are those well.
It's here for on Facebook no. Mo comment bra. Fabio Gama dos Santos Koroko set or say as good. A free ban here. And I feel so Fatau Shaku Dims FC.
We bought just 2 matches, pass it 2 goals. We have
that place and then why na ye skillful player in the Premier League.
Yes.
We will not if you now chat.
Why
na skillful. Now are you right? Why na skillful?
To me, I don't know, but I'll choose skillful. This topic is very broad. If you don't know and you do this thing, you need to give good.
But they why now you know?
Oh, super me yeah. If they say someone is super me we anyway. me wi answer ai you only say Abrante Addi RB Richard Baidu you see aka ma so folk hwe nyame adoma akosia da Abrante na beche
heart ne aduana
ono beche
na ada ayi wen
are oko South Africa
ampa na say ayi wo BM wo
ono beche me say RB na beche
RB
so oche tieli mama super adna hu so oche na say emeko South Africa na so akonya bi anche na say RB no eya ade a wakapo ni mu awe telephone tie nie super telephone tie nie pama mi o oh super anu be serious na make no
Ari last season ono e best goalkeeper na
ono but say RB so call Carolina United ono koje karasi o super anu odi o
but say Ari is senior
we senior na
Ari na number 1
awe number 1 na me performance e good abe me sinche
oh there be say RB into me fa one match pe
super
yeah na ade na mo fa BM nche
haso BM BM wa opana dabi opana no
osi ebe no goalkeeper straight na BM
yes into ono di kola na chi kakra
na I say Ari so
na make no so but I would be no share performance last season bono game onya bedae for AK for no House of Folk any K yes son no bechi na save bi akware be ya no Richard Baidu
Ziggy de ato
de ato so wo
ama fa chela
o wa chela Ziggy anu odi ntiro super no ba onim say bubo kwadi ede eye BS tini ba mame omni E4 game no awo ka kwabo ewo SA no tini ba mame SA no awon for confused eye BS game na
BS no
omni E4 na kwabo no awo ka kwabo SA no so ma ko kodu nyame adoma empenifo tini ba mame empenifo wo SA coaches eye enum sa 5 enum emi coaches 5 eso mo commandita bobo kwa ni din edi BS game no super adi na no eden
sad no BS ne essence wo match
yes o me born Sunday and o me coaches 5 so mo commandita eye BS game no super adi na no eden
adi na mu ya ye din dia ma BS o
every year no na jumando o mo kodu ya I listen to the radio they were speaking their this thing
aso mo kan ayo omo Z kasa no
yes enti adi na no eden South Africa mbrante na mpenifo no
ba ukra fila
super fila na ba enti na ndelo ka make ya hwe enti Ghana for ti o mu tie ne ye
omo mo mpa ma BS
obebi say BS what is BS
blaster
and what's SA
South Africa
and what's
Ethiopia
enti Ghana ni Ethiopia game no South Africa mpenifo coaches 5 so mo common the blaster enti no super okay say Abrante Addi Maxwell ejekum the Ajiman hakotoko for sign the by no mobile likely so over the weekend ga new kono ono ba be sure
defender
ba be sure ne we phone ba be sure so ma safu Taylor Abrante and Andra oko COVID-19 and renu be wanye training highway kotoko for na pe waye training enti no hoye pa Christopher Nete asamabo
yes, the boy trying to Rasta.
We trying to say a fresh boy, but Rasta the end the better one. No, South fan boy, no picture. Solomon Safu Taylor, uni biaba. That's Solomon. Christopher Nete. Abrante so many way no pray. O pray on a Patrick Aspa. Omnia ye training fine. Super America. Yes. Ziggy, Yami anu machira team bedini birthday. Cake no on Facebook. Oh, yeah, say cake no ko Facebook.
See the birthday
yes, cake no and run adu no me cake no.
Birthday dey china no.
And run no me cake no. Omu ko Facebook cake no do.
E be dey china na na.
En na ne, but ye twa cake no na ye dey atoso no. Cake no on fa nya fa to say. Oh, Ziggy fa cake to say. Ziggy adio. Cake ni affair.
Abraham ma cake chiri o.
Yes. Cake ni affair. Hey, one cake no. Cake ni affair. Has cake no. Hey, we did have Kwame Amponsah Addi kakra na de bevu. Cake na no audio. Cake no.
Cake na fe.
Nyame adoma team meeting the birthday o chira. Bubo kwa din Addi AHOSC.
Say
we Accra
Heart of Folk Sporting Club.
Dabi we Accra has Sporting Club. Okay, create even ko Facebook. Mama do has no cake near fair. Enti anon come on no enti no ba super way of the day no Who is
question
a very
of the day, no? Who is a very skillful player in Ghana Premier
Fabio
League?
Gama.
Fabio Gama.
Setose. Daniel Free Bania. And Abdul Fattah Ishaq. Who is skillful? If they say skillful, and no, for
the boy Atanase.
Yeah, boy Atanase.
But I mean, beside the boy, that question, you know. The boy, Fabio Gama dos Santos Koroko. Setose. So watch our brand here, no. Oh, as good
last season.
Sansona, Daniel Free Bania had to folk. And Fattah Ishaq. One the most skillful player in the Premier League.
Ghana there no. Ghana Premier League.
Yes.
Na mo share.
The boy Bisa was same.
Bisa question I will be.
Me say Fabio Gama Kotoko. Set or say as good. A free Bania had to folk. Fattah Ishaq Dream FC. One a skillful player.
No. See that?
Anasha kuya. Obiti ni pa miensa miensa.
Bisa say omo phone one a skillful player.
I me say. Say the Obama answer. Obadwene ho answer na wa ma na me boa.
Super, he's not ready.
Okay, Entino, right?
He's not ready.
First year.
Maybe you know, at the right commentator, I'm guess. Ni obia. Ni boys ni a. Oh, mama no obi no friend say.
Onye mami o
Abaya.
Mommy.
Your friend mommy. And mami o we kwan we.
Parliament Sport.
We be tapa. You say we be. Enti me ntia me say omo ye nipa me say mama kokko bi no.
Na Parliament Coastal.
Okay, ono ye Coastal
and Sport.
Na sport no.
Right anti choka se mama kokko bia. What did you not tell?
The boy.
The mama kokko no today. This mama kokko no.
The boy na say obi adwin.
Obi adwin cause here. Super dia seven boy. Mami pesi.
The boy.
The boy mami pesi. Mami chia oje ntie DJ so. Ntino super tiaso na diaka no. The boy mpeso obe ye ntino. Okay. Tiaso.
All right, and say a writer commentator. Ana wote ne kano abeja forward na se club ya sante sansena ni the boy atnase ana feel me senior Kwame Sedega ono soro elfia ba be din ko Black Stars issue so ba enema ko do South Africa against Ethiopia e chena 1 p.m. ana match no enso no ebetumi atodwa ene issue se ba no as a player team ya to nsa afro no amanya kwan amba ebi se omunja wo players no mo mbebo Thomas Tepati enkra yensa kan echema bo pra enti ya mane mebo Argentina and the players no e do crucial stage mini hiamwa omo ye omo kokwasa omo besom beba Black Stars no dem be na ekoso na yensa game itself. But question of the day no at the hop and you know set to say of us gold Fabio Gama dos Santos Koroko Abranta ni Daniel Free Bane had to folk and I feel so no Abranta ni Fattah Ishaq Dream FC almost our players in one the most skillful player in the Premier League so far. Go share now the comments at Facebook okwa Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook like the page you know share that first one fa o answer no comment you know for to YouTube and so Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter and so at Okoman 971 and I feel on Instagram and so at Okoman 971 WhatsApp line and I feel on text message you know over to me at the 0551 6677 55 0551 6677 55. Between the WhatsApp message after Samsung or SMS also between at the after prepem also between Yakwenya our friend and so net media. But the question of the day no set or say as gold Fabio Gama Koroko a free bani at the folk Fattah Ishaq and so Dream FC one a skillful player. But so as I now need the Baby didn't cover Black Stars issues and so maybe I will just fuck about I will be fine.
Oh, nyame adom bibia ye.
The boy say mama akwa badada.
We say mama akwa ubisa wasem.
Bibia fine.
Ubisa me hu ye, say anapa me hu ye. Wonu muti wan fi me.
Coffee.
Na coffee nyeti. Ye ni e ka se koko a ye ni ma uza koko. Ye ni ma ye koko.
Me cha say eso coffee na so tea.
Dabi na coffee na I we dem no.
Yeah there.
A tea leaf.
Maybe I left
How you are?
Coffee I leave no.
Yo.
Coffee leave no.
Mate.
A silly coffee.
Yo.
I wanna no pay mo ba hey.
Yo.
I'm heavy. You just see you. I'm heavy pa. Grab I say be fine.
Okay. The body ase bibia kama. Ya sorry di na che say. Anwade ho.
Njia honorable. Actually, send the shades now.
Oh,
you know, you put on my kind of heavy.
Honorable, you heavy. Honorable, heavy. Oguso, Obuejuma.
But I'm a big afro. Chairman one. Chairman is heavy. Papa. Big afro.
Yeah.
Every my minchiano na minchiano driver Obi sound so. Obi. Obi heavy.
Ano na chairman eba shop wana no ni obi beje bribi kakra. O me pe bribi kakra gogu fie na midu na me de mensa eto obi yefunu so. O si chairman si na uzuro akora ketano.
So
o si akora ketwa na o sha idea don za to see so chairman.
Obi heavy. Heavy pa Obi. Obi.
Yes sir.
We are fine.
Nyame adum be fine.
Our for still almost me network me wura ha de on money adwuma. You know, you so. But yembra ni medi nkomo. Ko be am sha say wo ho. Black Stars game no china 1 p.m. or chance still na you better na ya follow game na throughout the 90 minutes, but issue set by players ni be from and na is Felix afena Jan. Your friends anka ko da kito mbra no meboa. When to me ama ni team AS Roma say ya manemba. We share a Salisu Ibrahim mo omuya so no ye hwe sanko betumi adjoin writer beshana afin so no yamame beshana ma bibia so no enye kama aha oton sa from eni no omo ya omo ho bibia wo ho ni nyina so no betumi ahwe na bibia zigi nye fi so ta ja to musa International Blasters issues around the obi boss juju sep ni ade ni nyina kaba de the game itself against Ethiopia and you know South Africa for the monitoring.
Great
Papa, boot for boot pa. Come here, I ain't you.
Okay. Yebema obi be a very good afternoon bio. Na ende Sabrina so no wa join ya Facebook no na wetumi a share groups to be a wo mo Facebook no na wetumi e de atum na bibia so no etumi ai kama. Okay. Ochinada na game no e ba so. Ochinada South Africa. Yakobo Johannesburg na
Johannesburg.
Okay. And you know yenyina yenim nsemo ana enenam Ghana against Ethiopia game no aye movie from Addis Ababa ko piemu South Africa no yenyina yenim sema yemu bi Ghana fo no de na enya ade aye ne womo eya adwene se game no akwa ko piemu nei team a ono so ye ne no na yere epre se yebenya the qualification node no group stage no ye de akopie mu knockout stage South Africa na sa team yi no ana yesande game a eno so very crucial game na wo mu fi ana ye ka kobo game no enti a lot of us me ye one person raise alarm say if it could be possible anka the FA president no make sure so betumi the protest bi ana say petition bi akwa mpanifo a wo mu so betumi ahwe na nka nsakra bi wo ho a wo mu etumi ayeden asesa venue no e de amagana because ye nyina yenim say South Africa picture eneno Ethiopia fo no complaining say enye wontumi ne Ghana emboss no it was the same picture wo mu hosti South Africans no e wo so and South Africa etumi ko ho ekonya win enti why say eneno that same pitch no Ghana de yentumi embo so ntino yenkobo ewenei oman South Africa womo so na ye ne womo pre qualification node hu ehwo ne yenkobo inwo sisi ano venue no etumi aye clear say hwa ne ye ka kobo ntino ye hwe the game itself and wo hwe this time round no ye ngenya opportunity say players a womo eba the red zone South Africa no womo nyina ebetumi abo after so we take you one vaccines no when we qualify so we travel to the red zone countries and no players are one more bo EPO no ebe to me ababebo from France no one nyina be to me ababebo but a few players be no one available because which are say in the first place no provisional squad nearby 28 and no players be to say Felix Jan ya on to mimba. Now we share Thomas the party on to member and a few other players are one to me and Bano.
Jonathan Mensah
yeah. Now we share these few players are one to member no. I think say per that no the cutout anchor ebeba nyenya the main squad near the akono. I think say it will be maintained because nyenya a lot of players are one so no actually one who efima e binom through injury to say Partey no injury situation Jonathan Mensah de no so no
I don't know. Said
injury.
Yeah, injury. Then Felix Jan de no akoye te so no ne de no akoye daisi kakra on ne family any club no AS Roma no wo consulting penifo ne ade no. I think say akola ni huni say it's too early and I say on shut down ball enough. Say obetumi aba represent Ghana and huni say baby edu no anko be hia time kakra akoye te say Mohamed Salisu Dibi pepepe hen sana ono ne de no mi huni ne and Abranti friend Edmonado so ono no wetumi aba bedu Edmond Ababedu great and ne say wo share players ya wo mo emba mi hu say obi a ne absence no be how yen kakra no Thomas Tepati the last 2 games are obeboy no yenyina ye hu the impact otumi be make ya onya goal and okọ in the Arsenal no wo share the last games we gine mu e de ama Arsenal Mayfield o anko ho no mo no normal transition ejuma and so Arsenal bobu kono yenyina ye hu performance Arsenal so no edanedi intino one man aye be fino pa no ene no Abranta friend no Thomas Tepati but I share in all players are more available no I think say these are players are more background now playing time ebe den de ama because we share Jonathan Mensah krana the last games you know den so be to me abo and you know players we no mo kwa I think say Pate do no and be big blue but with Ene Mohamed Kudus with Edmond Ado ejuma oje waye Europe kakra yen hu no so be to me aye ejuma no o share Abrante Baba Idrisu undoubtedly o share game a wabo de ama Ghana I think say ni position no obetumi no cemented because me Ghana DM ho no no yen ejuma defensive shield yen boa defense emboa Mayfield ne yen make transition I think say Abrante no ye ni so the Black Stars setup ni nti no o ne Abrante friend Baba Idrisu obetumi a partner Edmonado ejuma waye no 4-2-3-1 formation ni betumi aye ejuma ebenya Kudus the middle and I say in front of Edmonado and Baba Idrisu then Kamadin Sulemana and Andre Morgan Ayu ni Jordan Ayu I think say okay players no Alexander Jikunum Gideon Mensah I think so no etumi pra ontumi mbanti Baba Rahman of course be take the left back then
Right back. I think it still will be Daniel Mate. But Philemon Bafo back into the squad again. Philemon Bafo, yes, I'm afraid no.
But I bet think so. Best start ahead of because of Juana, you know, Yade Amati.
The coach doesn't trust him. But I still wonder why I signed for Philemon Bafo.
Okay, say maybe you share performance now. Didn't so deserve it.
No, Theo. Me can say the performance.
Yeah,
coach, you know, offering because Unyane services.
Unyane, yeah,
and now. Uni a typical right back, but who used to a center back and I didn't know right back.
Yeah.
Who trust no into now better I didn't know. Who trust now him say Charlie Sabio you proper right back after say and you know Hans said this happen no more any idea you proper right back ye inkumu after some few Black Stars in you now a certain film why don't you give me the confidence and I did now I'm finding more rather than converting a center back to a right back.
Eke say Amatensu no etumi abo right back in the kakra.
Yes, and
even in the national side no oba no so
that's why he's not
playing. Obo ni ye.
Coaching
still now ono so betumi maintain right back position one say bibi etumi akosi yes okay Ethiopia ye nyina no ye bo away from home. Right now ye nyina ye bo away from home and Ghana against Ethiopia no enye Ethiopia ne ye bo na ye nyina no ye ko bi man so no I think say the Ethiopia no okay ye benya win because we share performance ye put in up Ghana hanomo against Ethiopia so time krana we share senior team no ball na enche da anya papa bia sa ye nyina sa game no ye win de na mom ye fan say ye lose pa ho hwe comment ba ya ntu no okay Ghana be win game no there so far I don't think say Ghana can afford to even draw a game. South Africa, Ethiopia, 2 games in Inano, you be winning, but they be as they make an young qualification, you know, any Ghana and same or South African same because one mono, and I say, Wabema Ghana qualify, Ghana be to me qualify. If say one woman near my year, no one so determined, say one more person qualifier. Ghana, there's nothing we could do. So you be to me qualify. You know, qualification, you know, is you be winning in 2 matches on one, then. We secure for the North ahead of South Africa.
Okay, I know Krobi Asante, and I was saying can still on Okoman 97.1, Okoman Global Sports, and I was so good to Muti and Oko Facebook, Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube enso no Okoman Radio 97.1 obetuma following on Twitter at Okoman 971 and on Instagram enso no at Okoman 971 Facebook Millicent Jamia I said the number 1 station no size and also no boy about so sounds na and you know DJ Rabi GH I said watching you live from Adolfo Kwapem and also no monitor show no kwadu also Okoman more fire enko emfa emamu McQuincy Sazi Priest I say watching you live from Pentecost. My mom and Akosa Regina listening to you live at Pentecost. Happy birthday enko emfa sister Abna ewo ukwapeman and sister Abna wo ukwapeman and you know ababa wa ni dia de McQuincy they always so happy birthday. Sansona Patrick Ansa I say I'm the kid from Accra. There's also a follow show. No, come. Kwabena Majesty. As you guys are taking over. Yes, and also no. Boy, I'm a Jumedian Akos. The boy.
Nana.
Black Star game, against Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Nana,
my minchia at Ethiopia. Nana minchia Kotoko stands as supporter back on Uncle Eddie. Prayer beer, number Bunumons, Manisro, Uncle Eddie, Betua. Unemubunko dia ona
onsa na mo fa justice believe
yeah so Ghana for na ye hundi meet me abet on say the justice believe Uncle Eddie obetwa kama e dia mano nana Ghana and Ethiopia ye mo Ethiopia na man for say yare ntokwa ne ade omo page na enye omo nyi football page papa bia
oh, so omunyanke ye approve
Messi
nana I'm qualified so na
qualified bo park na enye
we all know
adentina tie yesi ntokwa ba has ne nkrofo ba kun ya has huru omo de ko omo nimu ya ko nko jinsian adena no de ye bebo no Ghana ha ana momo de de yesi ye mo ho no mo na ye mabo Ghana ha ne ko South Africa.
I don't know what decided to say.
I
don't know what decided to say. Togo decided to be born qualifies. Oh, Ghana.
Adana, FIFA no calf nan can say Ghana will page papa. Nana, what would the reason be a reason in the say? One person will hear a film. Oh,
I didn't see my book. Why are you telling me? South Africa is close to Ethiopia. I know this is a movie game. South Africa.
Nana, I'm coaching in Hugo Bruce.
Why can't Ghana beat South Africa? Ethiopia.
Maybe I'm coaching in Hugo Bruce. No,
that Hugo Bruce was
South Africa. No. What kind of point blank say Timo Surane Ghana? And then now Moody coaches Numukano. Almost on the technical people, Makuma Quinsia, Aka coach Numuno say, March Wakoboy, among Shemaye. And the young pen South Africa.
They mean business, they want to qualify.
Yes. And I'm a catch say, who near my who you're not just a who wouldn't even qualify. Ghana now to one, Nyadia with me qualify. Because who are meant to play and you are begging people to come and play for you. I feel John with the one meeting me shot there. Ghana for you, because of AS Roma and T. About AS Roma. Keke. Young of Tam Nemra. I'm a book World Cup qualifier and African Cup. People are serious. We will say Lionel Messi yare because point me more by so Messi nko. When we are so serious to qualify to the World Cup. Now Abrante here and on far rank biamu here. Ghana have minimum club of ball amana that.
He was playing the I think the juvenile side and some movie too.
Now you got time remember whole national team which was the we don't kick it right. Nana, Omunim say, me grammy Coach Miller. Now promising me say, me qualify. Now me make $600,000 here. I'll move heaven and earth to do it.
That's why he's inviting this young.
And I'm see, these young people, young forming and this kind of qualifiers.
Why he wants to qualify until come first
because
he wants to qualify. That was the assurance and I promise.
Even the young chap the graduate said black star one new even the family the class I didn't me ban and we have not because we don't have men no you will need power gun hand more me see Ethiopia match in Kenya match bia afine kwakwa da adwene ho 30s your friend Crawford there were two party Ghana Ghana tepatem kwa prayer yam share years back aga tepatem prayer years back a decade ago. Now say yam fan say Suleiman Tari prayer we have a certain person to replace him. Maklesi Ama a certain person, John Mensama a certain person, and not yet Bakopa na prayer Yakobo against a certain we don't know Ethiopia be a yenimono. Na Obia didn't say guniti aye calculations I chante. I know some baby a mubo no ko. Etina bisa say one a year best deliver one man carry answer no. We are going to play against Ethiopia and the 1 year so boy na yesidi mu na be yi ba ko no na ko hye Nigeria de a yeso ofre ma mo wata opo ase man be da pori mu ma wata mobo minim sa ma wata mobo Ghana hayat ya dey moti ma loto moti aso anko secondary school wa moti anko secondary school da
secondary school for na yi loto
ana me say loto dey atro ana me moti anko school si atro number no
say be your basic
e wa efa it is all qualify we are na yesidi na unya sini ene se unya sini ga dia aje se atam ga uradi nyakopo nana you qualify we na enya Senegal a je se atam Ghana nyina kwache na ye wia ya fi ache yemu ebia goalkeeper nkwa no nipa 11 goalkeeping right back nipa 11 left back central striker nipa 11 because say against just Ethiopia ana ya ti so home me hu ne eye idia yam kwama me say Ghana be wini say Ghana qualify to the World Cup be me there but yenye niema yie na crowd be make certain point be ni ade tie your goalkeeping department your hold man na goalkeeper no attack na attack mu nyina ho ne ade you got tam a certain work to say wan say wan mra machi you got tam work to you say you work to new say wan say Ghana no I don't know minimum nia e ha ya mpanyifo yi wo o man ye friend Ghana yi mu me say o chamachi I am share pressure nko and eba to ni pass ha I am share pressure because player be a minimum no me na ho odin and area physique area strength minimum e ti ball ko wiem kura e obey ndен afi na ma dwene adana mo ye sa adan squad ye ko nyina ubetumi kata wani abobo one number fum sesia hu obia wom but unlike the 96 2014 ye ko World Cup ni ade no qualifiers no kata wani say a utimi bo 1 to 11 ni nyina obia di and then 2 assessor 3 assessor 4 assessor 5 assessor when ye kwa share Ethiopia foi amukra no mu ni so amunko dada enti no say ye show amukra nya hwe but na na me kan say yenya sa intugum ball na ye ball Ghana ha no intugum friend na ye friend crofo no na for once yenya serious for once Nigeria for person mu ye bi no omutimi tu plane eko tena nipa na ofo nchen nwo bi no mu ne ade ko pow awofo ne chaw say ye ba uye krom ni enye say ye friend nipa ne keko omutu plane ko wonum Nigeria for there no.
Well, what can we know? If so, Nipana, I ain't ready. So, about Ama, Nemaya, didn't know say young copper now for young Serenity say on the board. There's a background now, and Yana Kumu, another Bible. But if he's ready, he would come and play a certain Kevin Prince Boateng. Tame do as on Brano. What Nini decided some Jerome, about Jamie, but Kevin decided to play
Kevin Prince Boateng. There are different story. Kevin Prince Boateng to have any team of one. No go relegation. He has no option.
That's that season. He won the your friend saying the FA Cup.
Team men now friend. Team men now. I say Betono. By then
he was going to. I think AC Milan.
But why
He was going to AC
Milan. No, the team no. Tottenham Forest.
He had already played for Tottenham. I don't call Portsmouth.
No, no, go relegation. And you got time Abranti by. You got time ne by. Shaniema Tutu ye Poisroche.
Nyama Bene Tutu ye. When it came to the Black Stars, ball during the 2010 your friend is saying World Cup. He did his best.
I don't go to Kutu Pass. Mukanja Brante say you do it. That
was in 2014.
Nyomwa. And
then I was expecting from Coach Milo going into tomorrow's game.
Oh, sir, Milo, you see, $600,000 and $6,000. No qualifier.
300,000.
And some me, oh, mammy be into no winning and one no. Or Lucian one no.
And you know, and you know, the boy, it is Rakwame.
Senior.
I mean, you check Ghana and Ethiopia. It's a the tactical aspect and approach our coach and the game. But then you check preparation a team no edico match.
Senior Pacha, I mean for Akonya is French teacher for a child was in Mount Sinai teachers. Won't boom if you more
wow,
enemy I'm personal designer stitches. Udru on one eye me fine kakra. My member a game no so player selection and I say player call up or Ghana players I want from. I think say coach, you know, he's being very careful. Pese Obama niemo assistant bebre. And he's trying to keep the core of the team now or doing about 2 matches no. And then bring few people on. From day one, I mean, I spoke about this boy, Roma boy, you know.
Yeah, Felix.
Personally, I felt it was too early. We should give the boy some chance. We are even yet to see him. We should give him some chance. On building the confidence, on cementing the position. Then we can invite him down. So I don't know when he understands. But it's too early. Sometimes you see, for a player need to come and play for the country. You should also think of the player in a way. Because player, but that is why Salisu doesn't want to come. Because Oko Sadanten January. Oko Merimo Okoto, he couldn't break into the team. FA Cup. Vestergaard, no Benderek, no.
Yes,
he couldn't break into the team. Into FA Cup, Carabao Cup, no Bobo boy. Unfortunately for him, Vestergaard call Leicester. And now he's gaining the grounds to play. And we share against Liverpool ball or boy against teams. He's playing very well now. The confidence is coming. If he no cementing the place into Kofrena, who disrupting, how nagini, or be proper way. You understand? So sometimes, as a human being, as a player, I understand the plight of some of these players. What I say, player bia per se or cementing the position and sana with Maba, and it's good for us. Because you have consistency. We are talking about Nigeria. We are talking about Algeria, Senegal. Players you top consistent players are able team. So when you say Sadio Mane, a certain Sadio Mane can come and play at any point in time. Oko Liverpool, the position that we are the day obebo. In Napoli, current captain, a vice captain, Koulibaly. There is no way you can take him out. So what I say, into first our players now. One about a cementium position. So sometimes we should also understand the players in a way. That's what I want to talk about. But Afanaja and I, we should just let him rest. Young man, the time break it through a certain Mourinho's team. Because AS Roma team and your small team. Bueno could just break through and go and play. No, it's young man over a certain time. Not building the confidence for us. A better backup benefit here. But a ratio Musana, a better how at the end of the day, they will lose their positions. They won't get good teams to play. They won't get the consistency we need to build their confidence. They will come back to come and hand the national team. That's what I have to say. On the players in there, those are the players we have now, and those are the ones we've used to play this latest 2 matches, with the exception of Edmonado, right? Yeah. Waba and then. Jonathan Mensah in previous match he played. Opatana guy unya 2 look at went mambo.
Jiku.
Yes, Opatana. So I think in the absence of that, I think
Nielsen Branson needed Montari Kamaheni.
But I think it's a way we play. Joseph Edu
from
Joseph Edu.
Ashdod. Yes, Joseph Edu all around.
Yeah, so
Abdul Ganiyu Koroko and so on all around. Alexander Jiku in the team.
I believe that they can pair Joseph Edu and then.
Can I prefer say Jiku back into the team? No, one partner Jiku with Ganiyu.
Ganiyu can even play.
Yes, Ganiyu. I remember that our first. I think our friendly game was a World Cup qualifier against South Africa. He did really well.
You see, the Ethiopian team is just a normal. Their team is like a local based team, and without Ganiyu, I'm not much more concerned about this match. It's about the South African match.
Probably Andy Yadom can play the right back, Barbara Man at the left back.
No, Mate can play. Coach, let's say,
depending on how he wants to approach the game.
You see,
and before the game, I say better I won. You better answer and you be with how.
You see, people are talking about Amate, and the coach says he wants someone he can trust.
Yes.
You see, me a defender. if you're a defender, if you're able to search for it, it's a plus. But your basic role as a defender is to defend. Until coach ne say, okay, let me play Amate there. It gives me safety. One cross mama, no problem.
Because we have wingers.
That is it. So it is plus. Coach who say no, let me play Amate there for my safety, and it's good. Tama Amate call Leicester Fofro. Okoto Satana Robert Hood. But Leicester. Now West Morgan. You can't. Where are you going to play centre back? You are talking about 7 feet players. Inti Amate was playing from the right, and was starting from Oko January. Was playing Kakrasa. I think the right back position is not so new to the Amate. Inti coach ne say, okay, if I need safety, if I need players I can trust, let me put Amate there. Yeah, perfect. Inti I'm not thinking about this Ethiopian match so much. I'm looking at other matches like the South African game. And then the KGR, we need tactical brains to win that game if we really want to qualify. I'm okay with Ochina players, but me sure say would come down with a win. Me really sure.
All right, and then in summer, and then Kwame Sedega, and so no etimi ede atugwa. Still Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports. Ana din komo fia hano yemmeche Glatin Awako 239 sa Glatin Awako issue and between Artefolk and Olympics now right ashama me Olympics akasa Artefolk so akasa but you can see some Olympics for and so no etimi ade atugwa na yemedin komo fie
as for expecting to some better Awako. Sky boy and almost a month in training. See, about agreement, and they sign a contract. Okay, and I'm going to away first strength on business, second strength, the Montreal and business. Hey, the chef, the cross same set. In the event, I want to come on the data, you know. Awako the better idea. I'm a scam, I'm trying to person. But I'm almost Sunday. Most Sunday, we not happy. I do mean that 2nd October. I'm sure respect as oh. Olympic city. Jordan Somaka. A Jordan Fire is a new design, 7 and up. Omaka Cosibo Mokos, I don't think say, Sebi, and Palampala, MECI,
Radio.
Sebi, Omajimudaho. I don't think say, we did you say argument. Yanni, I trauma ethic, and I have to trust Aleka. We say, Awako, say, what we have gone into is agreement, and who has a better break. Our reverse agreement is agreement. When you did your say, that's all.
Until then, summer Olympics, and said that to Jabat, Kwame Parado, Piaro, and said him at the folk, and so no, me, Akasa, Ediafa, San Semino, Indian summer Parado, Piaro, Edma to folk, and said it to you.
The Awako issue, as in relating to the letter now, wherever that it came from, I mean, whoever that brought it out, that has become an issue. Will be a can okay, letter now, like you said, it was written on 21st. If it's 21st, at the back then, there were certain things that we had consistently said that were not right. In the first place, when we got Awako, we registered him as part of our team for Africa. It do say, that is the FIFA Connect, we registered him through it. When it got to the period that now it is mandatory that you should go through the DTM system, that's how come we wrote this letter to Great Olympics that they should be able to approve it. Send a bear, we can complete the registration of the player. The team be a financial issue. It doesn't stop you from that when accepting for the player to be registered. So that is why we wrote this letter to Great Olympics, wanting them to know that yes, the BB will open as a financial obligation between the two of us. But and stop him from accepting in the system, send them there, registered player. We didn't get any response. We followed up again with verbal communication as well. Not once, about twice, 3 times. We didn't get any communication again. So we needed to fall on the mother association. And in football, if a club decides not to approve this for you, now call the mother association. Now they have every footballing right to accept it for you. So the FA accepted it, gave us the approval. Awako was registered as our player to play in the Ghana Premier League. Accepted for us, and Awako is a registered player of Accra Great Olympics on the call player status. And we Anajo cry late in the night cry. Those were the things. And now we received a letter again saying that Accra Great Olympics Oma withdraw or more issue now on the call player status. They are no longer interested in that issue. So that is the latest about it, right from Peter my letter we was written up to this morning as I speak to you.
And see, and then some Olympics, and out of folk. Omununa, Ghana, ye near my say and Kodaukuma. Raham, I mean, too.
Senior, it's sad. Honestly, it's sad. Sometimes make us say it's sad. I look at from the players' side, from two big teams like Accra Great Olympics and Accra House of Folk. We've seen teams do transfer. I remember a typical example. Remember two typical examples. Romelu Lukaku, fee Man U, called Inter Milan. Nane fee was I think 70 million.
70 million.
70 million, right? Then the teams decided, say by that time COVID issues, they didn't financially, they need to spread payment. I'm gonna break payments in it down. Lukaku call Inter, I'm gonna register with whatever clauses and other. As of time, agreement was pending. I said Lukaku Inter 2 years come Man U. Inter was still bankrupt. They couldn't pay the money to Man U, but Lukaku still remained the player for Inter Milan. It's still on record. Go to Barcelona when they bought Felipe Coutinho. As of now, Barcelona the Liverpool car. When they won Champions League, there was add-ons. Say player who win the Champions League, they will pay a certain amount of money to Liverpool. Barcelona the Coutinho ma Bayern Munich. Okay, we need Champions League with Bayern Munich. Barca have to pay. They do not still pay the money. But Coutinho is still a player for Barcelona. Until where is it done? And this issue all came from Awako when he started saying, and I just don't understand. A caliber of player like Glasson Awako, look at the name he carries in the country. Shebebi Abobo Lefi from Kwando Heart of Lions. Apemswa ko TP Mazembe. What are you talking about? Say, when you come to a certain house of folk, you can't sleep. So you can't play football. Where? And work as Hasemi. And that is where it started from. Into Olympics near grounds, if Awako had calmed down and decided to play for House of Folk, this Olympic issue wouldn't have come in because a agreement the two teams. It doesn't affect you, the player. Now look at what is happening. Wako sign Amaha says Olympics. I mean, it doesn't speak well of her. It's a player that I really respected. Okay, and I believe that most of the young players look up to him because Mitia Wako interview, I think it was Sempa, also one of the sister stations. And he spoke, like a well-learned player. He can communicate very well. Ultimately, say he knows the do's and don'ts. And for you to make this mistake, the problem, it is very sad. It is simple. You want to play football. You sign a contract to play football. If you can't sleep, go get sleeping tablets, sleep. The next day, play football. In fact, problems in Olympics has in them. Because they have been transferred from Olympics to Haas. They have been transferred from Haas to Olympics. Just sell a few Olympics for Haas. There have been so many. That is it. And it was peaceful. Men foul personal sentiment, emotions, something which is happening outside football to come and affect football and then bring confusion between these two teams. It's not right. Intermediate, I feel say, if House of Folk is saying they've registered Awako for Champions League, registered him for league, now Awako feels say 1 or 2 reasons being on to me more. Or you're still registered player of Accra House of Folk. You should revert back to the mother club, Accra House of Folk. On your maintenance, they should talk about issues. Don't feel say baby I do okay, fine. They need to terminate the contract. Now I could refund some scabia where to you because all signing on. Or Jessica, did 10,000 Ghana cedis as a player. That's the money Awako is taking a month for playing Accra House of Folk. Until Ubaya sign a man, your mouth signing off fee with all whatever it is you are supposed to get. Now later, Uber Traka say, won't mean that she House of Folk crisis to go face what Champions League. They felt said they need Awako because who experience, who pedigree. When it comes to Africa, you know it all. Now, who disappoint you on my 160 form? Now one call. Now around this time, catcher say won't mean that into won't mean more House of Folk be. I mean, what are you talking about?
I mean, yesterday I heard him saying that he wants to play, but he doesn't know where to play. Whether Accra to Folk.
He should. Okasa made in who are Okasa just say he's not using excuse me to say his conscience. Where have you signed the contract? Team Ben the was sign them out. Team Ben the was register. Tom sign the contract not done. No. Into baby one register on where you are supposed to play. Go and play there. Go and you see, Sometimes I feel bad. Look at it's just like a futu situation. Now
futu is
you are used. Oh boy, Division 2. Well, Egypt. You didn't do due diligence. You see, 1 year due diligence. Team qualify Kobo Champions League. They need you. Afutu was to be in Haas and by this time you show us a blaster color you would have gotten. Because as of time, Haas far league, Afutu was turned out. And everybody was mentioning Afutu. Haas say renew your contract 2 years. They will give you 9,000 a month. 90 million old Ghana city. What's the one bet? Now, then somebody deceives you and then send you to Egypt. Okay, 1 year due diligence. One share team, one share. I can sign a pre-contract agreement. Where just scapa team local relegation. Who's homo? How should go and pay money so that I come back? Who does that? It is hard times a young players. They will learn. Some of them say they can't learn, and they should get people, lawyers, let them interpret things for them, and then learn. Alaji Bekachi say made them go school until the way no mami and me dey call legon me dey come. No, because of a proper interpretation, and you avoid some of these things that are consortium. Yusuf Chepsa will be all managing players and no dupe or your proper management. Or share now your church and never much player no tiasa. You take because some of these things is sad. How players
Okay, and Krabia.
Okay.
Waka kana ochana to aso.
Me can be because sense e buy no edi kan ho asema me hu say contract ankasa both clubs na ankasa sign me odwene ho a on tiase because how to folk ebeba abeche say their king face a kano enye sa neti the next day king face ebeba abeka say there has to folk kano enye sa neti ntisi ya no
Olympics
efi Sawati as Olympics, Sawati as NTC ano hwana na oka no kware no. And
but you see, has a folk utie interview now or acknowledge say even if there is something or acknowledge say fine there is it has a folk you see we ja tum say or the Olympics ka. Okay, that doesn't stop the player from playing. That is where the problem is. Operado can say if there is anything let the player come play. Then whichever way around will be sorted between the two teams. That
there can be renegotiation.
That is it.
Me the funny part no their Olympics can say what agreement say date that was on the 2nd of last 2 months, right?
I think September, right?
One more automatically
the player becomes
free agent and I say or return it to the parent club.
Which it doesn't sound
serious.
The boy.
Olympics management no.
Okay, say you know Olugbo Komodo Kasawa.
It was their PRO rather.
No.
It was their PRO. Olugbo na Yensan Kanu, so we spoke to the PRO.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nana,
we spoke to the PRO.
with every
By the way, remember, Mami announced the phone lines, answer. 0551 667755 0551 667755. Which my ba na fin so no wabecha Black Star game against Ethiopia. So na had to folk and since Olympics and my ba now so no wetimi achewa still question of the day no Abranta Fabio Gama Daniel Free Barney of Fat folk set or say Ash Gold and I fin so no Fatayo Shaku wine and a skillful player so far in the Premier League. The boy.
Nana, in every contract, 3 ingredients in here: time, date, day. The day will give you period. What I say, many I'm catching or say player and metono na we see and I would be near Kabia period. You want to mean to Yankainoa on your debut. They agreed. What I say, I'm saying, oh, Obia Bentina Pekina.
Okay, Maminfa Obi Awan so hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Master Tiemoni.
Master Tiemoni.
Master Tiemoni, we are fine.
Nyamia Mboko, Michael Mabegwa Funa.
Master Tiemoni, Mami Tio.
Yo. And I'm person can say. Who's as well, but you fubia in the bar. The big water still. Scarbody has in some because basically Scarbody. Yes, I man who said, Chastela has a new contract. And so one to a calendar back. What's it? Push David. Now, where the contract, and let us say, we are the Olympics. And so I say, contract was the time, yeah, you can a Buaboa, what's your play? There be now, who you play. I'm not Buabo until I thought, I mean, some.
Yamin Shao, Master Timo, on Yamintina, Royal Junction 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55. On Subetimia Afraba, na Acharajan Akabe in 2 minutes. Sorry, so the boy.
Nana, the player also should be careful. Officer, one day in the carrier, you can go ahead.
I mean, for you, hello. 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 I'm saying, Unipano, I'm saying, Wada Kakra. You know, the boy.
Time and date, you know, I think the Olympics in Benny they want to look very quick.
I mean, Phoebe. Hello.
Hello, Nana.
Good afternoon, but you didn't have free.
Good afternoon, Abinawa.
Abinawa, we are fine.
Fine.
Mammy, you.
Main control. Echo Player Statue Committee. The American Olympics has a folk in the Moka. It has a folk with the Olympics in Moka. Mufiaka, not player and Unkoya. There's no way I will make a has for say contract now on one side do say 21st. Not a wound tears can here. Now Muskana, I'm a tear down, Asham. The Jimna player and I'm not a bull in the being who could FIFA, the being who are more Olympics book and say, Tanya man, no better as a book, maybe Olympics, with the Mukongutia, Olympics as the Muka, Munkoji. Asa. It is always in a more than and say, has a book, baby Olympics book and will be Tianka, not play another house over there. And running has a contract.
Abinawa, era say, and refer for you may be seen now. Sorry, the boy wrap up now.
Say, and I don't think Abinawa say, maturity date, maturity time, contract this one now.
I'm in for last caller. I'm in for last caller. We have a last caller. Hello, good afternoon, but I am last caller. Udin baby a free. Hello. Oh, I'll go watch that. Hello. Hey, there's your low battery crash. We do see him for phone in Sina. I say, he's the boy. 5 seconds.
When you be a delay about contract, Zema, sa period, sa nema way, nema getting date, time, period. Ma wanin kon ye. What I say, minimum be na all sign check amobi. Na otro, sikana kakraka, figure no, kakraka no draw. Never mind, na dimu no draw, na kete send a pesos. What I say, and you trust the 2 million no the person as a shareholder. Yeah, and I didn't hear a quote no say so I didn't cry no mummy at this never must can do money kosha na person no say I just say now. A bass animal we are
maybe I want to call no be peak to
cut no coach I didn't much more. And to say baby Olympics for only near now one okay. And then Kwame Makonta can say you better team never found Crawford. We should go. Oh yeah, papa. We should go for experts. What here baby has for some best sign. Kwame Sabreno has another 2 million. Bola kwa bono yes if you be has for see or more from the
boy.
Be 3 months in no sa wa ko wo mutu anika. Inti club be mutu anika.
I had to fuck.
And
they are paying you, but you are not paying for them. You should be careful. Stand at the boy, you should be very careful.
Serious, because
Sikaya, you did church your place. Sabi. Ebinum sweato. Ebinum ko jina wiano. Ebinum ko bodon komi. Na ya near their brow. Now the white year now to now. Service now the Bema house no. Asante yine ka asemi se kotoko ya bosom. Timbia ya bosom. Timbia ya bosom. Eti o tane wo ji 10,000 dia.
I believe sanka our squad in Africa yeah difference but
yeah and pa kwasi chairman huma bia na mehwe players no omudi keto mo kakra yesi be sin ko bobo e wo Sri Lanka na odimrika na okọ
Abio yan kan chen say Sri Lanka o e ka chen say menya deal amount outside and e be na normal ka chen deal amount outside na player no so on your due diligence
the thing is senior you see Nana, you're desperate.
Nana,
you're desperate.
Yes, that's the
right. The boy can't assemble me. My main typical example. Main family situation here. Typical example. In 2011, Saturday I World University Games about China. Now me were form and yeah the ketwa. Now has full swap. We were 2 players. One boy Felix Tete. When you bo. Satana Ibrahim Tanko coachy RT. On no coachy has by then. Now has full swap. By then I was in university. Now we university level 300. And now, what's what permit? I mean, it's okay. It's a sight and say a crowd of folks up a small boy to say, well, it makes you happy. I was carried away and what campaign or pram. You could bob boy, you friendly match. I know she has Jesse and you had the ketwa. When the J, it's the final day I'm afraid for negotiation. Now, I'm afraid the so called Nipana Mission Yami manager, a certain Moreno, if you're brew. And you're cotton now. Into your cotton hall, no Mukaya, no buy. Or buy a penalty Kwame. Half was over 2,000. Na obebwana ena Mr. William say yaw
okay now bo units kan po
2,000 pound nya mini ni panim obi asata machira de kakra me hu sika kakra me to school fees me fa ka fi win ba na ba train wo has it 2,000 pound for me to stop my education and come and play football as of that time although I are class of folk but there be say has for person me bo has I'm going to take a big risk because maybe Jai school, maybe Jai BBL to come and play has. One man 5,000. Na me fanto taxi tour. Me ko na nye
taxi.
Yes, and I mean say more taxi, maybe a taxi driver. And you see, me class, I was not carried away by the mere fact of said crop of players na yakwe. We can by yeah war about dreams yeah. Abel Manomi.
Yeah, Abel.
He was one of those group. I was supposed to later. Only make a sign and say, come to school. About 2 winning bar, not at level 400 or level 100. Say we're in the masters.
I don't go so Kobo Olympics. So
he was Olympics captain by then. And so not by dreams. So few about dreams. You understand? See, sometimes as a human being, we are so desperate, we just get carried away.
Wow.
So
the boy you
and I make a say chrono. Yeah, I'm your background check. Minya akonya se mko ya soro okrobi so. Ye frɛ chrono tonga. Australia chi wonum baby na me research found ensuo kura no mo ho nana enchini wo mu enti me kwatena tonga ye se wo aburoje fa tonga me ba ma fo ye se hele
elvesi ye fancy na ene no the boy abrabo no ye nya se na ye bobo ska anu pebra aboyi na unyeska na ja one fancy den na ye se o ye ho enti ni o be se o si dan na mum no unya akade unya materials na de si udan a amikanfo ejapaye construction and farmer Ejapaya construction and general merchant and farmer we know blocks say dotie eya bo yedisi dan iron rod just say bibia ni no materials yedisi dan no ukopi mu Ejapaya construction and general merchant ebebo na afin so no onsa akasa materials na the boy ade efe won materials no eni no ni border form the boy nyeden ntu kwa so pe hia one trip of sand edebema 1 tip of abo yerbema na also abo your types your type and you know your stand trip ni nyina no track yerbema and you know abo no kwa na blocks na kasa no your 5 inches your 6 inches and you know your quarry blocks and sand blocks ni nyina wo ho ni nyina Ejapaya construction and general merchant no yedi wujuma oba ebebo na afin so no odan na pese usi no yama materials usika na okura no enso na pese otua na kakra oba ye na otena se na ahihye na materials ni yaden ede amawo na afin so watumi atuatua na kakra na so odan no obese wapeja edesi ho na bibia nso no atumi aye fine ensuo ni ade nyina binding wires iron rods say anwia no unya kakra bi kura de akoye parting bi say kia baako kia mienu head pan baako abo head pan mienu ni nyina no Ejapaya construction and general merchant yedi wujuma enso edema antibra na afin so odan no ebi na ubra bi wa burichi wa manu sika se fire dan anya fi na akọ chinchin akoto abo bi wo ba bi a onkosi dan papa bi a bepie mu Ejapaya construction and general merchant na afin so no yembo na materials abese odisi dan no onso no wotumi edesi Ejapaya ewo ene no ebrew the boy say ebrew and ene Ejapaya enso no ewo a obetumi aba na onso no watumi ene edi juma ne number ni 0244 719 814 0244 719 0814 ofrena onu bedi juma na afin so aboa ama materials abese odi si udan no onso onsa etumaka sanso ne o live man so wa jese obese obefa na afin so wedding we ye bi yebo na osutumi edema program na bibia fa ejapa ye nso no construction and general merchant so beboa na bibia nso no etima kama omo na ewie omo so yase a yenso na gudie mu nsem yenso no yetumi edeba na se gese confirm mabejafo ne krobia sante the boy ana afin so no Kwame Serega ebe boy Samson head of sports na Okajman and so bo mechidom Jeff Football team na Kwame Imperial the finest se dwumadi kama and in executive producer on the show and senior Ora Kofi Anson Bafo omo boy na dwumadi no so yetumi edeba ote the writer commentator and kase fisem no ono so no etumi edeba na me kwei krobia yemami na ene no bibia so no entumi enye kama video no na oya na bibia so no etimi afa na okay ano na wacho no say the opposite filling station or na japaye enso no eden ewo na mekwe no yetimi ato so Tony ana finso ne zigi ebo mechidom ebo ay ma jumedi ni ba medin ene na Kwame Amponsah Addi betimi afrem eke nyame pa china ebesan asia muchum.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own.